Well, I would say that initially, or in the past, California has kind of had a go-it-alone approach, that they wanted to do this themselves. But I think that they're realizing, as you get to the types of levels that they're talking about going to, 33% of their power, eventually maybe 40 or 50% of their power coming from renewables, that it's not possible to do just within California, that they're going to have to reach out to surrounding states to do this. And I think that's what's happened, is this argument of diversity and operational needs has really started to finally make its inroads into California, such they're realizing, you know, we need help. In the short term, we need help, but in the long term, this may be good for California because we may be actually exporting our solar to other states. So, you know, short term helps them out. I think that's becoming realized, and then long term may actually become an economic driver for them. Well, I think, you know, the tough thing always is wind gets compared to coal and natural gas and oil, and it's not those. This is a renewable resource. But I think, like all our other resources in Wyoming, we want to try and take advantages of what we have. Wind isn't driving out coal for Wyoming. What it is wind is supplementary to coal. And as we can find markets for our wind, much like we can make markets for our coal, this is great for economic development, initially as wind farms, but then you have support service companies come in, potentially you have manufacturers come in, and all the trickle down in terms of construction and all those type of things, that it can become a huge economic benefit to Wyoming. Another piece in the puzzle of Wyoming economics. I think the only thing I can add, or I'd like to suggest, is that, you know, this is an opportunity where we see real interaction between the University of Wyoming, state entities such as the Wyoming Infrastructure Authority, Wyoming Business Council, and the Wyoming government, and future and current and future industry that are coming into Wyoming. So it's exciting. That's the kind of partnership that we always like to see as a university, that we can contribute back to the state that funds us so well.